Multifunctional models with multifunctional data. More versatile. The front shovel and the back dig are busy with this multifunctional 4-in-1 bucket. In addition to shoveling materials, after the opening bucket, there is a bulldozer under it. It can be used to push soil and snow, serrated on both sides. You can add snow branches and wood. Forklift load 1.2 tons. The lifting height is 3.7 meters. The rear is equipped with a 20-type small excavator. Hydraulic legs with inclined automatic leveling. Increase the stability of the excavator. The standard bucket of the excavator is 45 centimeters. This kind of rotating grab wood is very convenient to grab grass and grab wood.